All right guys, we're going to show you how to change out the upper windshield on a KX-080-4 real quick and easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to uninstall your mirror and your windshield wiper and any other accessories you might have attached to it. You're going to go in with the door in place. You don't want to take it off, just leave it in. You're going to clamp it kind of angled back, and then you're going to cut out the polyurethane all around here. Once you're done with that, we're going to install a bead of Permatex right on the edge of the windshield frame, and then we're ready to go ahead and put in our polycarbonate. So Andy's going to help me with that. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Got it up there?
Yep. Go ahead and let it go. Now we're going to take our clamps off and just go and shut the door. All right, so now we're ready to install the metal retainers and the hardware, and then you're done. We'll be back in just a second. All right guys, we're going to install the hardware and the retainers for the entire system. On the inside, I'm going to be doing the star washer. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then our 1/2 inch quarter bolt. And then we have a binding barrel nut that Tom's going to be doing on the outside. So I'm going to hand that over to you real quick. We're going to set our lower retainer in place first. Tom, if you can press that for me, I'll get it started. Okay, so that one's started. We'll move on to the next. And we'll go ahead and hit our other one over there. Got it in there? There we go. Okay. All right, so you have 5 retainers around the entire window. Obviously one at the bottom we just installed. Now we're going to do our short lower piece over here. Alright guys, as we get this started, we'll go ahead and take you to the outside and show you how we're going to tighten it down. Thanks. Alright guys, as you just saw, it took us about 5 minutes to get this window in. Tom's on the inside, I'm on the outside. We're going to screw this thing in and get our customer on the road. So hang in there for just a minute. Ready. All right, and that's all it takes. I would say about 7 to 8 minutes to get the whole thing installed. The lower replacement windshield for the KX-080-4. It's something that we have in 2 different versions. One is a 1/4 inch polycarbonate. It's scratch resistant. We also have the 1/2 inch scratch resistant polycarbonate as well. Very, very easy to replace. So if this gets broken on your unit, you call us, order one, and when you're ready to install, this thing literally just slides up and down out of the track. You push it down in there. You don't have to worry about it breaking. It keeps you on the road and moving forward. So if you have any calls, if you have any questions or anything like that, give us a call and we'd love to help you with it. Thanks.